Aloha everyone, this is Lenora, Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to show you again some pupus or appetizers that you can make for Super Bowl Sunday, which is coming up very soon. So today we're doing stuffed mushrooms, and I have two different kinds of mushrooms, but you can use any kind of mushrooms you want. There's some ingredients here. Like I said, there's two kinds of mushrooms. This is shiitake mushrooms, and it doesn't really have a bowl, but that's okay. I'll just kind of mound the filling on it. And then the regular button mushrooms. So I've taken off the stems and I cut up the stems because that's good too. Don't throw it away. So what I'm going to put in here is a can of tuna that has been drained. Some imitation crab, which, you know, the pieces are kind of big, but they look like that. So it's been chopped up. So I'm just going to put it in here. Some of it has already been mixed, but I just wanted to show you the ingredients, okay? The rest of the tuna. And again, you can put anything you want in it. There's no set rule. So I like green onions, about a tablespoon, and about 2 tablespoons of red or white or yellow onions, either one. Just mince it up. You want the crunch in it, that's why I have it here, okay? And then about 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs and 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Some salt, probably about 1/2 teaspoon, and some pepper and some garlic salt, or just garlic, not garlic salt, okay? Now I'm gonna mix it all up. And this might be too much, but we'll see. Otherwise, I'll just eat it like a salad. It tastes pretty good like this, okay? So now I'm going to stuff the mushrooms. Now I'm going to fill the mushroom caps. Now these are kind of small. I usually like big mushrooms, but that's all I had today. So just fill as much as you can. And like I said, if you have leftover, you can eat it on something else. Try to push it in. And let's do a big one so you can see how much I put on it. This can hold quite a bit. This would be for the lucky person to get all this filling. Okay, so we're going to keep on going. Okay, these are simple ingredients, but you can put anything you want. Crab, lobster, shrimp, they all be very good in it. Okay, now I'm preheating the oven to 350 for 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your oven. Now I have a small tray I've put all the mushrooms on, but I put foil on the bottom and I sprayed it with non-stick spray. So now I'm just sprinkling some grated cheese, and then we'll put it in the oven. Again, put as much cheese as you like. Some people use slices of cheese. So either way, whatever you have. And I put the mushrooms, especially the small ones, close together because they tend to flop over. And this way they'll kind of lean against each other, and hopefully it won't fall. You can see how fast and easy this was. So if you have guests coming over, within 30 minutes, you can serve it. So just enough cheese, I think. And I'm kind of pressing the cheese down because sometimes it falls off. The oven is done, and I'm going to put these in. Okay. Okay, we're putting in the oven. Oh boy, the mushrooms are done. You can see it's been 20 minutes. So it's pretty good. All the cheese has melted. The mushrooms are very soft. Big ones, small ones. So I'm going to taste the small one because it's kind of hot right now. But it smells really good. Okay. It's kind of hot. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. So even though the mushrooms were flat, the big shiitake ones, you know, it's fine. I just mounded more stuff on it. You can even use portabella mushrooms, those big mushrooms. So be creative and put anything you want in it. Some people just use plain old veggies and whatnot. So I'm gonna try it now. Small one. Very soft, melt in your mouth, and people will be wondering, what did you put in here? It's hard to guess the ingredients, but it's very tasty. So, you know, you can make it yourself. Let your children help cut up the veggies, and they'll have fun stuffing it, okay? So to all my grandchildren, Jaden, Kai, Olivia, oh my goodness, Olivia, Zane, and Lihi. So I have 7 grandchildren. Please make this, and if you make it, let me know. So the youngest one is Zane. So Zane, you can help do a lot of things. Pass around the ingredients to your sisters, okay? I know a lot of you like to watch my videos, but watching is not enough. You've got to have the taste. If we had smell-o-vision, you could smell this right now. So it's really delicious. So you can see very few ingredients. You don't have to use the same things I use. All you need basically is the mushrooms and the cheese. So please try it. So don't forget, if you like this video, just smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, and comment. And if you have any requests, let me know. Mahalo for watching. Thank you. Oh, now I can eat another one by myself. It's really good.